Hey everybody, it's Denika and I'm a home DIY expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install transition strips. So if you're like me and you've recently put a new floor down, you're going to be left with this strange little gap between rooms, and this is going to make it look a lot more cohesive. Okay, so you're going to measure from your door frame to your door frame, and we have 30 inches. Then you're gonna go and cut your transition strip and your bottom track so that they both meet 30 inches. So this will screw down, and then this middle part will clip into here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else around the house that you would like to learn. If you're anything like I am as a DIYer, a lot of the times I leave my projects like 85% finished. So just under 10 minutes, this can pull your entire project together. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.